How to safeguard your mobile app against API security threats. Mobile applications are becoming an integral part of our everyday activities, offering entertainment, productivity, and convenience. These apps strongly rely on APIs for communicating with servers and retrieving data from them. Even though mobile apps rely on APIs for communication with other third-party APIs and back-end systems, they also create security risks that need to be addressed to prevent data breaches and other cyber attacks. In this video, we will explore the top security practices you can follow to protect your mobile app from API security threats. Discover 12 essential security practices designed to safeguard your APIs from potential attacks. This guide outlines key measures to enhance your API security, ensuring robust protection against unauthorized access and threats. Broken Object Level Authorization, BOLA, occurs when an attacker manipulates an object reference to gain unauthorized access to data. You can mitigate BOLA by only granting access to authorized users, using token-based authentication, and regularly testing your authorization mechanisms. During the global pandemic, Google released consent mode to secure valuable data for marketing purposes. Their updated version, Google Consent Mode v2, introduced settings like add_user_data and add_personalization to control data use based on user consent. Data privacy regulators like GDPR require organizations to ensure safe data transfer and grant users control over their data, especially through APIs. Compliance is crucial to avoid fines, penalties, and a tarnished reputation. Prevent API reverse engineering by making it difficult for attackers to learn about your application. Use anti-tamper techniques, secure storage for persistent data, and tools like certificate pinning to strengthen communication security against man-in-the-middle attacks. Encrypting your data using HTTPS is a fundamental part of API security and prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. Data should be encrypted both in transit and at rest, using methods like SSL, AES, or RSA to keep it secure. API rate limiting is essential to prevent abuse and DDoS attacks. Implement rate limiting based on IP addresses or user roles and use tools to monitor and adjust the rate limit according to traffic patterns. User inputs should always be validated to prevent SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and other injection attacks. Input validation acts as a first-line defense mechanism, ensuring only trustworthy information is accepted. Secure mobile app storage is crucial for protecting sensitive information. Use Android's Key Store or iOS's Keychain for storing sensitive data like tokens and API keys securely on the device. Token-based authentication mechanisms such as OAuth 2 and JSON Web Tokens, JWT, are popular for user authentication in mobile applications. They protect user credentials from being reused or reverse engineered during a data breach. Multi-factor authentication, 2FA, improves mobile app security by requiring multiple forms of identification. Proper error handling is vital for secure code development. Error messages should never reveal sensitive information and should always be logged securely. This prevents compromising the application's security. Regular code reviews help address security issues before your mobile app is released. Having team members review code as if they were attackers can prepare you for real-case scenarios and enhance security. Keep everything updated, including security patches, software, and libraries used in your API. Continuous updates to your software and security practices are necessary to stay ahead of evolving cyber threats. Stay vigilant and proactive in your security efforts to maintain a secure app environment. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.